Best supplement to gain muscle and strength. Best supplements to build muscle. Protein intake must be adequate for the best muscular growth. However, consuming a protein supplement is not necessary if you are getting enough protein from your diet. Weight gainers are high-calorie foods, intended to increase your calorie and protein intake. They are only advised, though, if you have trouble consuming enough calories from food. The best dietary supplement for gaining muscle mass is likely creatine. Numerous studies have shown that it can aid in boosting muscle mass. By boosting exercise capacity and reducing muscular exhaustion, beta-alanine improves performance. What does beta-alanine do? Many athletes and fitness fans enjoy using beta-alanine as a supplement. It is safe and effective, according to the evidence, and may aid in preventing tiredness and enhancing performance. Additionally, it contains anti-aging, immune-boosting, and antioxidant qualities. What causes your strong immunity? A nutritious diet is essential for a robust immune system, as it is with most other aspects of your body. To do this, make sure you consume an abundance of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Both pills and meals that contain carnosine can provide beta-alanine. A non-essential amino acid is beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is used in the body to create other compounds, whereas the majority of amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Branched-chain amino acids are crucial for the development of muscle. They are present in many meals, however, it is debatable whether taking them as supplements is beneficial if you already get enough protein from other sources.